Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Live with Style and Ease, and that is Nooie Aurora Smart LED Multicolor Bulb for included inside E27. Some suggestion where you can put it into your house. We've got 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, app control, schedule and timer, voice control, energy saving, vibrant colors, 16 millions, easy dimmable, and light recipes. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside. Nice box, I like it, and the color. We've got some manual, and if you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about that, how to use these bulbs. Nice safety package, and there's the first. Oh, I like the color. Nooie logo, E27 bulb. It feels very good manufacture, quite heavy. And let's see some specs inside. We've got the LB127 Smart LED bulb. It is 10 watt, 220 to 240 volt. Designed in USA, made in China. Nice. And there it is all together. Well, I think it's time for testing to see how it works and light up our home. Well guys, here we are. I have downloaded the Nooie app. You can find it on iOS or Android. You can see I already have some plugs, 4 of that, and I've got one cam in my living room. Well, now let's turn on one by one the lights and install them. Add new device, add device. Nooie Smart Light. Now it says please power on the light and confirm that the light is flashing blue. Our light is not flashing blue. That means we can go when the light is on, turn the switch off, on, off, on, off, on. Switching speed about 1 second action. That it will be reset the light. Let's do that. And you can see now it's flashing blue. Blue light's flashing. We've got our network, the password, next. And we're just waiting. It will be wisely to go near to the bulb with your smartphone. Now you can see it is on white and waiting the process to complete.
I found Nooie Smart LED bulb from the Nooie Home Skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Nooie Smart LED bulb.
Well, that was Alexa. And as we can see, very successful. And now you can name your light bulb. Let's say wall. Wall 3. Save. Device sharing. I can share the device to other person in the home. Here we are, we have just added. Well, now I will do the same thing for the other 2 lights that I've got. We can see, same here, it is on white, doing the same thing 3 times on off. And here we are, it's blinking blue. Now again, the same device.
I found Nooie Smart LED bulb 2 from the Nooie Home Skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Nooie Smart LED bulb 2.
Thank you again, Alexa. Let's name it wall 4. And there we see it's already done, and a firmware update. And success the same here. Now the third bulb, the same procedure to add our bulb to the Nooie Home. Oh, nice. Let's make the room darker to see how they look in a dark room. And because we've got 3 individual lights, we need to put it together because we have these lights in the same area and we need to have the same color. How we are going to do that? We are not going to change individual one by one, but in a group. Now add to the device, and here we can see create group. And into the lights we can choose these 3 lights and add them. Name of the group, let's say wall. Okay, save. And there we are. We can turn them all off, turn them all on, and push into the wall. And then all the lights have the same color. We can see cool white, coolest, warm. Let's go to the color. That is the fun part. And there we are. Red. Blue, my favorite. Oh, it's amazing. The color, it's unbelievable. The brightness, whoa, it lights up all the room. 3 different bulbs, 10 watts, totally 30 watts of bulbs. Well, let's go to the green. Whoa. Let's give it around and change the color slowly. 60 million colors. I'm sure you will find out your best color that is suitable for you. Wow. Thumbs up, Nooie. Great product. Okay. And again, same here. Brightness, maximum. And this is the maximum brightness. And with a slide, it goes again to the color. Slide again, goes to warm, a blue, and smoother. And we've got some themes. Yeah, themes. Focus it. Natural, active, calm, romantic, yeah, your loved ones, playful, yeah, floating, and you can add a theme. You can make your own theme from these 60 million colors, and you can see when I'm going to add a theme is flashing randomly colors. Nice. And again to the blue. Schedule. You can make a schedule, 7 days on a week, what day you want, what time you want, to turn off, to turn on. We can go individual. Name, device, you can share the device, information of the device, the firmware of the device. Automatically is making the latest firmware updates. And again, off, on. Alexa, turn off wall 5.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off wall 4.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off wall 3.
Okay.
Okay, Google, turn on wall 5.
Sure, turning wall 5 on.
Turn on wall 3.
Sure, turning wall 3 on.
Okay, Google, turn on wall 4.
Sure.
Well, you can see we can change and the colors. Alexa, change color on wall 3 to red.
Okay.
Okay, Google, change color on wall 4 to green.
Sure, changing wall 4 to green.
Alexa, wall 3 brightness 50%. Alexa, brightness 50% on wall 4.
Okay.
Alexa, brightness 50% on wall 5.
Okay.
Well guys, as you can see, you can change colors, you can change the brightness with your Alexa or your Google Assistant. What do you think about this product? For me, thumbs up, is working perfect. And if you want to buy it, you can check it down below to the description all about this product, where you can find it, and more information. Well guys, that was all about this Nooie bulb. Definitely all the day I will have some fun with this bulb. I will change colors. I love LEDs. Colors are so amazing, so brightness, so vivid. And this product, it has that what I need to my home. I'm sure you will find a beautiful place to your home to install these bulbs. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.